Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm showing you how can we build a connection, establish a connection between two machines, whether it is a laptop or desktop. So today I'm using my laptop as a server and the desktop as a client. So I will use SSH secure shell connection between my desktop and computer and send the file through my laptop to my computer and to my computer to my laptop. So I will show you how can we build a connection. So firstly I will go to my server laptop. So here is I am in my server machine, which is laptop. So firstly I will need to install the SSH in my computer. So I will first go on a search bar and type install features. So I open the features. Here I will find open SSH client and open SSH server. So here I already installed it. So if you didn't install it, you will see that install button here. As I already installed it, so I am seeing uninstall button. So you can confirm it by in command cmd. You can type ssh ssh and you will see these things in your computer. So you successfully install your SSH server and client. So here firstly I will go to my file and copy this command to run the server. So I copy this command and cmd I open run as an administrator. So I run it and copy paste it and click enter. As you can see that machine is installing some files here, so we have to wait some time. Here you can see it installed successfully and we are open the SSH server. Then I need to start my server. So simply I will start my server through this command, which is net start sshd. Net start sshd and press enter. So I successfully open SSH server service was started successfully. So now my work is completed in my server. Now I have to go to my client computer. Client machine means which is my desktop. Here I am in my client machine, which is my desktop. Here I have to check optional feature and click here. Here I need to check open SSH is installed or not. It is already installed, so I don't need to install. If you are seeing install button here, you need to install it. So I need to run cmd command, run as the administrator. Always remember run the cmd command with run as an administrator, otherwise you will get some error. So you start this command, simply go on this file which I will provide you in my description. Copy paste this and uh, click here. It will take some time. Now you need to write this command, which is ssh username at server IP address. You can check your IP address and server name in your server laptop. Currently I'm using my uh, client computer which is desktop. So you need to check your IP address and server username of your computer by this command config. Ipconfig will get your IP address. Here you can see this is my IP address, and echo percent username percent will uh, I mistakenly uh, written username. Here you can see A is my username. You can check the IP address and username server computer, then you come to your client computer and run this command from this file which I will provide you in description. Then run this command, then you have to type SSH, write the username which is root in my server at IP address which is 192.168.100.102. Here I clicked enter in my computer. It asks you your password which you needed when you start your computer. You enter the password which you use. That password you need to enter that password here, which is I can tell you. So here I successfully connected to my server from my client desktop. So here first task which is I will do, create a directory in my server from my client computers. Firstly I need to go on a desktop cd desktop, enter. Here I come to desktop and type this command mkdir noman. So I can see that I created successfully, and then I type dir. You can see that there is the noman file in my server laptop. Here you can see that I created the directory from my client desktop to my laptop, which is my server, successfully. We will see how can we send this file to my server laptop. I simply run cmd command and paste this command scp, the path of the file which I want to send, and the username at IP address, and the path of my server laptop. I want to send this file to my server laptop in desktop area. Here I press enter. I need to write my password. Here I successfully send it my file to my desktop. Here you can see that I received the file from my client desktop to my laptop server. I want to receive the file from my server to my desktop. Here I deleted this file and simply reverse the command which I already entered before. I just reverse it. Firstly, in that command I have to write the scp, the path of the file which I have to send to my server, root at IP address, and user root desktop. Now I reverse it. I write scp root at IP address, user root desktop file from my in my server to my desktop. Here I click. Here I am downloading the file from my server laptop. Complete here we see that the 100% process is completed. I get the file again here. Now I will try another file to receive from my server, which is hello docs. It will also take, you can see that I receive this file again. So here I show you 3 tasks we can do. There is many tasks we can do in this SSH service. So till then, Allah Hafiz.